See I can flip or not. Okay.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make a fried omelette, yeah, with some pre-cooked crab meat, yeah. A very simple dish. But my challenge is how to keep it round shape lah. That one sometimes I can, sometimes I couldn't. Anyway, what you need to prepare here is I'm using 3 eggs, yeah, and also some pre-cooked crab meat. This is the whole packet. I think it's about 500 grams. This is like 1/3 of it, yeah. And there are some pre-cooked ones frozen outside that you can buy. Very easy to find, not difficult. Just go online, you can find a lot of them selling. And I have some, just to give it more interesting color, appetizing color, yeah, I have some red chili, big chili, not spicy at all, slice it, and some spring onion. Right, so you get a big bowl, and you want to put in this, all the ingredients, and we're going to break the egg inside. Next thing, we're going to give it some seasoning, yeah? Some fish sauce or light soy sauce. A bit of salt. Some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Don't interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore. Optional. Few dashes of white pepper. And you want to mix everything up nicely. Alright, look at the color. Beautiful, isn't it? So next, you go and prepare a wok with some oil, yeah, and heat it up. Once you have heated up some oil inside a pot or wok, you can now put in the egg. So allow the egg started to cook at the bottom first, then only we try to flip over, right? Ready is after about 1-2 minutes, you start to see it started to take shape, yeah? Can I flip or not? Seems I give it another 1 minute first. I tuned down the fire a little bit so that the bottom did not go chao ta. Because this is rather thick, yeah? I try to make it a thicker omelette today. So you don't want it to be chao ta. Alright, this after about another 30 seconds. Let me try to flip, see if I can or not. See I can flip or not. Okay. Why is this? Actually, this is the wok that is easiest for me to flip because it has a very nice curve and it is not too big and it is very light. That's why I managed to flip. Ooh, successful. So I'll give this side another about 1 minute plus and it is cooked. Ooh, luckily. Ooh, very thick. This omelette is very thick. Nice, very nice. Almost done. All right. Oh, nice. One of my most successful omelette. Oh, look at how thick it is. Alright, so here's my crab omelette, yeah? If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.